In order to ensure successful email delivery, it is essential to monitor and maintain email delivery regularly. One important aspect of this process is analyzing bounce rates and identifying delivery issues. By understanding why emails are bouncing and identifying the root causes of delivery issues, we can take appropriate actions to improve email deliverability. In this tutorial, we will explore the steps involved in analyzing bounce rates and identifying delivery issues. 1. Understanding bounce rates. Bounce rates indicate the percentage of emails that failed to reach their intended recipients. There are two types of bounces: hard and soft bounces. A hard bounce occurs when an email cannot be delivered permanently, while a soft bounce is a temporary delivery failure. Analyzing bounce rates helps us understand the overall health of our email delivery. 2. Gathering bounce data. To analyze bounce rates, we need to gather bounce data from our email service provider, especially, or email delivery platform. ESPs usually provide detailed bounce reports, including information about the bounced email addresses, bounce types, and error codes. Access the bounce data through your ESP's reporting interface or API. 3. Categorizing bounce types. Next, categorize the bounce types based on the information provided in the bounce reports. Common bounce types include: A. Hard bounces. These occur when an email cannot be delivered due to permanent reasons, such as invalid or non-existent email addresses. Remove hard bounces from your mailing list immediately. B. Soft bounces. These occur when there is a temporary issue preventing email delivery, such as a recipient's mailbox being full or a server being temporarily unavailable. Soft bounces may resolve themselves, so reattempt delivery a few more times before considering them as hard bounces. C. Blocklist bounces. These occur when your email server's IP address or domain is listed on email blocklists. Being on a blocklist can result in most of your emails bouncing. Identify and resolve any blocklist issues promptly. 4. Analyzing bounce rates. After categorizing the bounce types, calculate the bounce rate for each type and overall bounce rate. The overall bounce rate is calculated by dividing the total number of bounces by the total number of sent emails. Aim to keep the bounce rate as low as possible, ideally below 2%. 5. Identifying delivery issues. To identify delivery issues, analyze the bounce reasons, error codes, and feedback provided in the bounce reports. Common delivery issues include: A. Invalid email addresses. High numbers of hard bounces due to invalid or misspelled email addresses indicate issues with your data collection or list hygiene practices. Regularly update and clean your mailing list to minimize invalid email addresses. B. IP or domain reputation. If you notice an increased number of blocklist bounces or emails being marked as spam, it could indicate an issue with your IP or domain reputation. Improve your sending practices and engage in reputation management to enhance email deliverability. C. Content filtering. Certain words or phrases in your emails might trigger spam filters, resulting in increased bounce rates. Review your email content, subject lines, and HTML coding to ensure compliance with spam filter guidelines. D. Server configuration. Improper server configurations, such as misconfigured DNS settings or email server parameters, can lead to delivery issues. Consult your email server administrator or a specialist to resolve any server-related problems. 6. Taking action. Once you have identified the root causes of delivery issues, take appropriate actions to rectify them. These may include: A. Removing invalid email addresses. Remove invalid email addresses promptly and clean your mailing list regularly to ensure better email deliverability. B. Requesting removal from blocklists. If your IP or domain is on a blocklist, follow the instructions provided by the blocklist service to request removal. Improve your email practices to prevent being listed again. C. Adjusting content. Modify your email content, subject lines, and HTML coding to comply with spam filters guidelines. Avoid using spam-triggering words and phrases. D. Addressing server configuration. Work with your email server administrator or a specialist to fix any server configuration issues that may be causing delivery problems. 7. Monitoring progress. Continuously monitor your bounce rates and delivery metrics to measure the impact of your actions. Regularly review bounce reports, track improvements in bounce rates, and monitor spam complaints. By closely monitoring your email delivery performance, you can ensure ongoing success. In conclusion, analyzing bounce rates and identifying delivery issues is vital to maintaining a healthy email delivery system. By categorizing bounce types, calculating bounce rates, and identifying the root causes of delivery issues, you can take appropriate actions to improve email deliverability. Regular monitoring and maintenance will help ensure successful email delivery.